is a charming village located on Iceland's southern coast. Even though it's small, with around 300 people living there, it offers some of the country's most breathtaking sights. A church, sitting on a hill, this red-roofed church offers amazing views of the village and the ocean. Despite its small population of around 300 residents, it is a vital stop along Iceland's Ring Road, offering essential services and a warm welcome to travelers exploring the island's southern wonders. It's also a safe place for locals if the nearby Katla volcano erupts. Whether you're drawn by the allure of its natural landscapes, intrigued by its volcanic underpinnings, or simply seeking the charm of a remote Icelandic village, Immortal promises an unforgettable experience.